So we are talking about ratios and rates on this lesson. A rate is a ratio that compares two quantities measured in different units, like miles per hour type of thing. A unit rate is a rate whose denominator is 1 when written as a fraction, like $3.99 per 1 gallon for milk. So the first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to find each rate. We're looking at a Ferris wheel that revolves 35 times in 105 minutes. How many minutes does it take to do one revolution? So we are writing a rate that compares minutes and revolution. It wants to know how long one revolution takes, and because a unit rate is the denominator of 1, revolutions goes on the bottom. So we take 105 minutes over 35 revolutions, okay, and then we divide both the top and bottom number by the denominator because we want the denominator to be 1 because we are looking for the unit rate, and the unit rate is per 1 of something. So in this case, we're going to divide the numerator and denominator by 35. 105 divided by 35 is 3. So the Ferris wheel takes 3 minutes to do one revolution. Sue walks 6 yards and passes 24 security light sets along the sidewalk. How many security lights does she pass in 1 yard? Well, because 1 yard, our yards is what we want 1 of, that's going to go in our denominator because we're looking for a unit rate, okay? And we know she passed 24 lights in 6 yards. So now we're going to divide the numerator and the denominator by the denominator, which is 6. And we're going to do 24 divided by 6 is 4 lights. So she walked past 4 security lights in 1 yard. I feel like that's a lot of security lights. Okay. Danielle is cycling 68 miles as a fundraising commitment. She wants to complete her ride in 4 hours. What should her average speed be in miles per hour? Per hour means per 1 hour. So hour is going to go on the bottom because it's what we want to equal 1. We know she has committed to riding 68 miles in 4 hours. Okay, so we divide by the denominator. So by the denominator, which in this case is 4. So we do 68 over 4 divided by 4. And 68 divided by 4 is 17. So if she wanted to complete her 68 miles in 4 hours, she would need to ride 17 miles per 1 hour. Now we're going to look at what is a better buy, okay? When you go to the store, you could be looking at 2 different sizes of something, and you could think that because one is cheaper total price that it's the better deal. However, if you're looking at 2 candy bars and one is $1 and one's $1.25 and one is just a normal size candy bar and one is for $1 and the movie theater size candy bar is $1.25, the movie theater size candy bar is actually a better deal because you're getting more for your money. So how we decide which is a better deal in this problem that says a 12-ounce sports drink costs 99 cents and a 16-ounce drink costs $1.19. Which is the better buy? We divide the price by the number of ounces to find the unit price of each size. So you always divide the price by whatever the unit is, whether it's ounces, pounds, grams, okay? So For the first sports bottle, we have 99 cents, don't forget our decimal, over 12 ounces. And the reason ounces goes on bottom is because we want to know the price per 1 ounce. Okay, we want to know the unit rate. So we're going to divide both by the denominator of 12, because we want the denominator to be 1. 99 cents divided by 12 is around 0.08. That is rounded. When you do 99 cents divided by 12, you actually get 0.0825, okay, and we rounded it. So you actually get this, but money only goes out 2 decimal places, and that 2 makes that 8 stay an 8, okay? Then we're going to look at the other drink, and it is a 16 ounce for $1.19. So we're going to divide each by 16. $1.19 divided by 16 is actually 0.074, but that 4 makes this 7 stay at 7. So money only goes out 2 places, so we're rounding it to 0.07. So because 7 cents is less than 8 cents, the 16 ounce sports drink is a better buy. So do your check it outs, and as long as you set up the problem and you can show that you know you divide by the denominator, you can use a calculator once you get to this point. So you need to show me this work on all of them, and then you can use a calculator.